Good afternoon. Today is Monday, April 29th, 2024. I'm here at Arlington Marina, and we had some concerns about the water line on this boat right here. This boat's named Hatter Days. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to swim around the perimeter of the water line. This boat was cleaned as of right now 13 days ago, so almost 2 weeks, right halfway in the middle between services. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for any outlying growth, any major growth. Since it is starting to get a lot hotter, the growth is starting to grow a lot quicker. So we're going to go ahead, check it out, see if there's any areas of interest, and if I could see any other types of growth that is in comparison to what it will be like in a month or so. I'll go and I'll try and find that wherever I can. So let's go ahead and check it out. So after looking at it, a lot of the growth is on things that aren't a part of the hull itself. So if you look, you have the corners here where the roll under is. That's going to get a lot of growth. The corners here at the transom. You also have all the lights and wires on the back here of the transom that are starting to get a lot of growth. Now, those aren't normally covered with a whole bunch of layers of hull paint, so those are going to get a lot more growth as well, especially your running gear underneath. Those are going to start looking like big bushes after a month or so. Now if we look over here at this buoy that's just hanging here right by the water line, the rope underneath it, this is essentially what you're going to be seeing for your water line in the hot season. So that is going to be all over this once it starts getting hot per month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and touch up. I'm going to get the water line to an acceptable area, probably just clean it off, and then I'm going to do an after video, and I want you to go ahead and just keep an eye out on the water line for the next month or so, just to see how rapidly it cleans, or how rapidly it gets dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and get another video for you.